pang, what longing you should have for that highest experience. It's not something that you are longing to merge in the outer Arunachala. No. You can never miss Arunachala wherever you are. The other side of the globe you go, you are not going to miss Arunachala, because Arunachala is your own self. He is alive in you as your own inner being. You are never going to miss him. In the satsang, you are being introduced to that Arunachala, that he is dancing in your heart as I. Naan endru idayam nadithiduvayal. In the heart, he is dancing with I. The mystery is, this I is always with us. This mantra we constantly chant, but we never look at it, probe into it, what it is. For that, we had to take so many births and come to Tiruvannamalai. It's very funny that you have to come from the other side of the globe to this side for knowing what? I. But that has to happen. Such a simple, direct thing. We are not talking about some God in the heaven. We are speaking about the most intimate thing. Arunachala gave the teaching to Bhagavan. You know what teaching he said? He said, keep quiet. Summa iru. And that worked like magic. Be quiet, be still. And that stillness, when the mind becomes still, when the mind goes to the heart, you recognize that inner flame of that aham, I am, as the limitless. It has no limitation of the body or the mind. It is Satchidananda Swarupa. And again and again making the mind stay in that state, not allowing it to come to the circumference, not allowing it to enter back to this plane of disharmony, disorder, mrityu, is our sadhana. Again and again this satsang, it has only one purpose, that again and again recollect that state.